Hello everyone, this side Sachin from Shiksha Anusthan. In this chapter, we will be dealing with word problems based on quadratic equations. The method for solving quadratic equations we have already discussed it in a previous video. For solving a word problem based on quadratic equation, we need to adopt the following steps. What is the first step? To represent the unknown quantity, we need to find out which is the unknown quantity that needs to be solved. Then we need to translate the given statement to form or to put it in an equation form, and then we need to solve the equation. Okay. So in this chapter we have numerous types of questions. Coming to the first type, that is problems based on numbers. We will be solving this with the help of examples, understanding this. So first, find two natural numbers which differ by 3. The sum of whose squares is 117. So let us take let the natural number be x and x plus 3. We know that it differs by 3. So x and x plus 3. Or you can also take the larger, here the smaller number is x and larger is x plus 3. You can also do it by x and x minus 3. Okay. So going with the example, x and x plus 3 and the sum of the squares is 117. So x square plus x plus 3 whole square gives us 117, and solving the process we get x is minus 9 or x is 6. So now the negative, since minus 9 is not a natural number, it is given natural numbers, so we will be taking the value of 6. So on applying 6 in x, we get the second value 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. Now problems based on time and work. For the same amount of work, if A takes 6 hours less than B and they together can complete the work in 13 hours 20 minutes, find how much time B alone needs to work. Now if B takes x hours, then A alone takes x minus 6 hours, because A takes, as per question, A takes 6 hours less. So now each B's 1 hour, A's 1 hour work is 1 by x minus 6 and B's 1 hour work is 1 by x, and we know they both work for 13 together they can do it 13 hour 20 minutes. 13 hour 20 minutes is equal to 40 by 3 hours. So in 1 hour they will be doing 30 by, taking the 30 by 40, right? So work. So now on solving this we get x is 30 or x is minus 8 by 3. We do not consider the 8 by 3 part, so we will be considering the 30 part. So x is 30 and B alone will take 30 hours to complete the work. Okay. So if in this case, in such cases, if a time period is given for certain, suppose A completes the whole work in 20 hours, then A's 1 hour work would be 1 by 20th part. Okay. Now if A and B together, if A plus B together they complete in 20 hours, then A plus B's 1 hour part would be 1 by 20. Now go to next type, the problems based on geometrical figures. The hypotenuse of right angle triangle is 13 cm. The hypotenuse or the h is given 13 cm. And the distance between the other two sides is 7 cm. Suppose then we take b as x, and base is equal to x plus 7. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. When solving, we get x is minus 12 or x is 5. Since the triangle side cannot be negative, so therefore x is 5. And on applying it in the base formula x plus 7, we get the base as 12 cm and the perpendicular as 5 cm. Now coming to the next type, problems based on distance, speed and time. By increasing the speed of a car by 10 km per hour, the time of journey for a distance of 72 km reduced by 36 minutes. Find the original speed of the car. So here in this case we will be taking that the original speed of the car be x km per hour. So time taken to cover 72 km is 72 by x hours. Now new speed of the car, what is it? The speed of the car is increased by 10 km. So the new speed is x plus 10. Now the time taken to cover 72 km would be 72 by x plus 10. And we know the time is reduced by 36 minutes, means the initial time would have been longer. So 72 by x minus 72 by x plus 10 gives us 36 by 60. 36 minutes, that is converted into hours, 36 by 60. On solving, we get x is minus 40 and x is 30. As speed can never be negative, so we take it as 30. And the original speed of the car would be 30 km per hour. Now, problems based on CP. By selling an article for 24 rupees, a trader loses as much as percent as the cost price of the article. Calculate the cost price. So let us CP here. Let us say we need to calculate the cost price, so we need to identify the cost price as X. So let the CP be X. And loss is X percent of CP because it loses as much as percent of CP. So the loss is X percent of CP, X by 100 of X, that is X square by 100. Now we know that in case of loss, CP minus loss is SP. So X minus X square by 100 is 24. In solving, we get X is 60 or X is 40. So CP of the article is either 60 or 40. Now coming to the last type, a motorboat. A motorboat whose speed is 9 km per hour in still water goes 12 km downstream and comes back in total in 3 hours. So when we in this case, if the speed of the stream or the speed of the stream of the river is taken as x km per hour, then the downstream, or if you go downstream means going or flowing with the river. So here the speed will be added, the speed of boat plus speed of river, and in case of upstream we will be going against the river. That means we need to have a greater speed. So 9 minus x, or speed of the boat minus speed of stream. And in this question, the speed of the boat is 9 km per hour, so speed of downstream would be 9 plus x and speed of upstream would be 9 minus x. The time taken to go downstream is 12 km downstream, so that will be 12 by 9 plus x, and time taken to come back is 12 by 9 minus x. And we find that as a distance was 12 km. So on that basis, we found that the previous time, the time taken previously, the total and the time taken to return, time taken to go upstream and downstream, and time taken to return, both added to come to take 3 hours. The total time is 3 hours. Now we need to add this equation and we get this 12 by 9 minus x plus 12 by 9 plus x give rise to 3. On solving, we get x is plus or minus 3. So x can, as the speed is cannot be negative, so x is plus 3. As the x is plus 3, so the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. That's all for it. Hope you got the concept. Do like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.